Barbecue fam, today we're doing up an Osso Buco on the Char-griller 980. Oh hell yeah, check this out. So you're gonna get your Dutch oven onto your grill, whatever grill you're using. Get the temp up, or 500 degrees, because you want to sear off your beef shanks real quick. A couple minutes each side. Hit it up with some salt and black pepper. That's it. Or I'm using Uncle Steve's cow shake. Oh hell yeah! Got a little bit of garlic in there, granulated seasoning. It's amazing. Then you're going to dice up a Vidalia onion, a carrot or two, a couple stalks of celery, and that you're going to put into the same cast iron that you seared off your beef shanks. So you're going to hit it up with some olive oil. Throw all your veg in, let that go for about 5-10 minutes till softened, and then you're going to put your beef shanks back in with 2 Guinness beers. So you pour in your Guinness beer, and that's going to help braise these beef shanks. Oh hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah.
So once you get your beef shanks back on top of your veg with that stout beer, you're going to cover it. And then you're going to go for about 3 hours at 350 degrees. And then when you're ready, pull that out, but you're going to make a risotto. And then you'll put your beef shanks on top of that with a little bit of that veg. Oh, this is going to be amazing. The Osso Buco is ready. Oh hell yeah. Oh, right apart.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Osso Buco is done. Let's get a taste of this bad boy. Oh hell yeah. Now we're going in for that marrow. Oh, bone marrow. Let's check her out. Oh. Ooh. 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 Now, I mean, it's fall apart. We got garlic risotto. Oh, some of that beef shank. Osso Buco. Oh, hell yeah. Amazing, easy to do. Guys, go do it. Get yourself some beef shanks. Make this up. Easy to do, and the price is right. Each beef shank's about $5. Can't go wrong. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that's so amazing. Can't go wrong with that one. Oh, hell no.
I said give me a hell yeah!